Oh, I can't. I totally forgot I did that. Hey crew, with all this time off, I thought I'd go over some footage from my layovers last year, and I realized I had clips from every single layover. So I thought it'd be cool to put it all together as like a montage with no music, no sound design, just whatever audio was coming into the microphone at that particular point. I'll just use that. So here we go, 1 second clips, every layover in order from 2019. Let's go. Euros. I love that.
13 meter per to return. Dit is allemaal af.
Oh man, that was so fun to watch. I totally forgot about like that tower I climbed in Athens. I got a little bit of heat over that. But man, there was just so much good stuff, and a lot of it like I couldn't remember. Some of it seemed like yesterday. But man, I tell you what, when we get back to flying, I'm not gonna take any layovers for granted. I can tell you that for sure. I miss flying so much. So it's gonna come back. We'll get there soon. Hey, if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, you know all the stuff. We'll see you guys next week. Have an awesome day.